Okay guys, in today's video I'll be teaching you how to play praise. Very easy. I started with this bass line when I started learning how to play the bass guitar. I even used it on keyboard and it went very well. Okay, so if you're interested and you're totally a beginner and you want to start this praise journey, you can just learn this video, but you have a lot to learn, so you have to DM me in my private lesson if only you're interested, so that I can teach you the process and a lot of things to know so that you can be perfect when you're playing the praise on bass guitar. Okay, and also if you're new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and also share this video to your friends. So guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So I have a simple Ghanaian praise that I can use for this example. Okay, but if you're not in Ghana and you want to learn this, you can just follow the progression, see how I move, then you can try to use this bass line in some of your local praise. Okay, we will be looking at this song. So it was played on key D. Okay, key D, and let's look at the progression before we move into the main vibes, the main groove. So asafu ye owa niye ewo. So the simple progression is 1 4 2 5 1, or if you want to drive it from your 1 to your 4, asafu 2 3 4 yeah na 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 na. Okay, so let me show you how it works. Okay, so let's look at the Asafo first before we move to the Onyankopon. So Asafo. So I changed the progression. Instead of me playing 1 1 1, then I move to my 6. Asafu 2 2 2 2 4 5 5 1. So Asafu 6. So 1 6. Asafu 2 2 2 2 4 5 5 1. So you see the difference between the first one. Asafu ye owani ye ewo. Okay, so this is the progression we'll be tackling on. That is 1 6 2 4 5 1. Okay, so now let's look at the main thing we'll be tackling here. So on my 1, you heard me playing doom 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 doom. Okay, I apply the groove, you understand? So on my 1, you'll be counting on every fifth of the root note. So 1, you start from here, 1 2 3 4 5. So put it in mind. So 1 2 3 4 5 to your 5th. You understand? Okay. So to my 6 6 7 1 2 3. You understand? So just learn the first one. 1 to your 5. Okay. Then now to your 6 6 7 1 2 3. So you have 6 3. You understand? Okay. So Asafu. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so let's look at the notes before we get into the groove. So now to your 2. You understand? So starting from your 2 2 3 4 5 6. You understand? Okay, you have your 6 here, but it's too far. So 2 3 4 5 6. So you have 1 5 6 3 2 6. You understand? Now to your 4 4, you count 5 notes, 4 5 6 7 1. So you have 4 and your 1. Then 5, count 1 2 3 4 5. So you have 5 6 7 1 2 5 2. You understand? Then back to your 1. So asafu ye owani ye ewo. You understand? So just take this first process. Asafu ye owani ye ewo. So let's see how this one will even fit in. You understand? It's just a start, so you can see the groove is not there. You understand? So just practice on the first one. Okay, so practice, make sure you practice this on every key, whether G, just any key, so that you practice and get a progression. Okay, so now let's move to the main groove. So you have your 1 1 5 5 1. So each note you'll be playing 2 times. 1 1 5 5 1. Okay, then to your 6 6 6 3 3 6. So Safu Safu 2 2 6 6 2. Then to your 4 4 1 5 2 1. You understand? Okay, so it is very, very simple. Okay, so now let's bring in some passing notes to it to make it spicier. So okay, so you understand? So you can play it dun, 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 dun. You have your 5 6 flat and your 6. Okay, if you don't want to do it that way, you can just do that is 2 3 6 6 3 3 6 2 then to your 4. You understand? Okay, so now let's move to the other side of the progression. Dada 1 1 dada 4 ananana 1 dada 6 dada 2 2 2 2 4 5 5 1. Okay, so I'll just doing something simple. Oh nyakupo. That's on my 1. So practice this. Okay, 1 5 1 1 5 5 1 5 1 1 5 5. Now to my 4. Okay, so 1 5 1 7 6 5 4 1 4. To my 1 again. 5 6 7 1 5. To my 6 2 3 6 3 6. Now to my 2 2 5 2. Okay, then 3 4 2 5. Okay, 3 4 2 5 5. Then you continue. Okay, so when you play 1 2 3 6 3 6, pass note to your 2. So 1. So 1 sharp in your 2 6 2. Then you play 3 4 2 5 5 1 5 1 5 5. You understand? Da, 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 da. So 4 1 4 5 6 7 1. Then you continue. Okay, so just learn the first one. You understand? Learn the first groove and learn the second one. Okay, try to master them and try to use them in any praises you find out there, and if it only work, you can use it to that same praise. Just play it simple and play it steady. Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys this week in this same YouTube channel. Bye for now.